The $600 boost to weekly unemployment checks is coming to an end on Friday. The household finances of more than 30 million Americans collecting jobless benefits are on the line. Many will see a severe drop in their weekly aid, some by more than 90%. Negotiations between Democratic and Republican lawmakers on Capitol Hill have stalled, without a policy to extend or replace the payments in sight. Americans started receiving an extra $600 a week in April as a result of a federal coronavirus relief law. The federal subsidy came on top of states' typical weekly payments. As a result, the average American got $921 a week in May, according to an analysis of Labor Department data. But those checks will fall 65% after July 31st, to about $321 a week. The experience will vary broadly among states, which set their own benefit levels and vary greatly in generosity. In Oklahoma, which paid the lowest average weekly benefit in May, the average person will see a 93% reduction in jobless aid, to $44 a week. Oklahoma had a 6% unemployment rate in June, compared with the national rate of 11.1%. There were about 118,000 people collecting jobless benefits in Oklahoma as of July 18, according to the Labor Department. However, that total is almost certainly lower than in reality. The state is one of 6 that doesn't report the number of people collecting benefits through a new federal program, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, for the self-employed, gig and other workers previously ineligible for benefits. In Washington state, which paid the highest average weekly benefit, aid will drop by 55% a week to $497. State sets minimum benefit amounts for eligible recipients of jobless aid. This sets a floor in benefit levels. States also cap benefits to the upside. Most states set minimums below $100 a week. Hawaii's minimum, the lowest of any state, will be just $5 a week after the federal $600 a week supplement expires. Low minimums relative to other states don't necessarily mean less generosity. They're partly attributable to looser eligibility rules, according to economists. Workers can qualify for benefits in Hawaii with a lower level of annual earnings than in other states. For example, Hawaii paid the second highest average benefit in May, at $466 a week. But, for workers collecting the minimum weekly check, or close to the minimum, losing the $600 a week may be an acute hardship. Such recipients may include part-timers who work few hours, for example. More from Personal Finance. GOP jobless plan hurts these groups the most. Americans more worried about Social Security amid pandemic. Why unemployment is a broken system. Meanwhile, Massachusetts pays unemployed workers up to $1.234 a week, the highest maximum benefit of any state. By contrast, Mississippi has the lowest maximum among states, paying up to $235 a week.